Alright, the video number 36. I will show you how to practice these exercises and to use the sustain pedal. So first of all, let's try to play the left hand exercise. So, which you can see on the 41st page, on the page 41. So we play, yeah, that's the C major. We play C, then we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth note, and then again first, 3, 4. Then we change the chord. You see the note sounds, because I don't release the pedal is still pressed. Now, when I play G, I raise the pedal and press it again. And then I play the rest. So we have G, D, G, right? Now we're changing the chord. Look, I'm raising my hand, but the pedal is still pressed. Now I play the A, and at this moment when I play A, I release the pedal and I press it again. And now we have all these three notes, A, E, A sounding, and I don't hold any notes with my left hand. Now I go to the chord of E minor. E, I raise the pedal, I put the pedal back. So what I do with the pedal, I cut the tails of the sounds, yeah, unnecessary tails, and then I put the new chord and then I press the pedal again. So now I go to F, I press F, I raise the pedal, I press it again, and now I have a pure F chord, the first, fifth and first of the F chord. Then I go again to C. So again, I raise and I press. And I release. Then I go to, yeah, that's what I do with the pedal. And then again, play G, raise, press. Yeah, and that's how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And now let's play the same with the melody. So I play, now next note D, and next note C, and next note B, and next note A, and G, A, and then B. Yeah? So basically, I have the chords of C major, yeah, so I could play the whole chord. Yeah, but it doesn't sound that well, so that's why I offer you to use just the first, fifth, and then again first notes of the triad, right? So we have, yeah, that makes some feeling of the space between these notes, a bit of transparent music, yeah, like we have a bit of air in it. And if we play triads, yeah, it sounds a bit like too many notes, but as long as I add some air with first, fifth and the first, that sounds way better.